Hey guys, I am not Megan Lamb,
I am.
but this is This Week in Richmond.
We are here at a Southern Touch at the estate where Saturday night they will have a Valentine's dinner for two. Information about this event is available on Facebook and it will be from 5 until 8 p.m. Tonight, February the 9th, there will be a sushi making class at Axe to Grind in Hamlet from 6 to 9. Information about this class is available on their website and their social media. There will be a design with wine class at Richmond Community College, which will also start at 6, as does the sushi class. At Hail Mary's Tavern in Hamlet, they will have Thirsty Thursday, and also at Godfathers Lounge in Rockingham. And over at Double Vision, they will have a 9-ball pool tournament. Tomorrow night, Friday the 10th, there will be live music in downtown Rockingham with Scarred for Life at Hudson Brothers. They will have karaoke with DJ Eric Whitfield at Double Vision. They will have specials for Flashback Friday at Hail Mary's Tavern in Hamlet, and also at the Lounge at Godfathers in Rockingham. Also Friday night, they will have Friends Trivia at Bisque in Hamlet, which will start at 6 p.m. In addition to the Valentine's dinner for two that will be here Saturday night, there will be a pour painting class at Bisque in Hamlet. DJ Roy G will be in the house at Double Vision in Rockingham. They will have specials Saturday night at the Lounge at Godfathers and at Hail Mary's Tavern. They will have Bowtie Karaoke. Sunday, February the 12th is Super Bowl Sunday. So we wish everyone a fun Super Bowl Sunday, and we will be sharing different places that have Super Bowl watch parties and other events to celebrate the championship football game for the year. On Monday the 13th, there will be an auditioning and charade study class at Richmond Community Theater in downtown Rockingham. On Tuesday, Valentine's Day, February 14th, there will be a playwriting class at Richmond Community Theater. And don't forget about the upcoming performing arts show that will be at Richmond Community College on the 16th. That will be the Highwaymen, and there are still tickets available. You can stop by the Cole Auditorium or call them or look online to reserve your seats for this show. For more information on these events and other upcoming events here in Richmond County, make sure to follow us on Facebook, Visit Richmond County, on Instagram, Richmond Tourism. Subscribe to our website blog so you can receive these emails, and our YouTube channel, which is Visit Richmond County NC. See you next week. Happy Valentine's, and I hope you all have a fun Sunday watching the Super Bowl.